In this how-to tutorial, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your GatesFX account. Enabling two-factor authentication on your account is the best way to keep your account secure and only takes just a few seconds to set up. Once logged in, I will click Profile from the menu and then select Two-Factor Authentication from the drop-down. Before I start, I need to ensure I have downloaded the Google Authenticator app on my mobile device. If you do not have it downloaded already, you can select your operating system here to be taken to the download page. Now that we have the Google Authenticator app installed, I will click the Enable Two-Factor Authentication button. I will open the Google Authenticator app on my mobile device and then scan the QR code shown on the screen here. Now that my GatesFX account has been added to my Google Authenticator app, I will input the code shown on the app and click the Enable button to enable two-factor authentication. While it is not required, we recommend all of our traders to enable two-factor authentication on their account for the highest level of security. Thanks for watching, and be sure to browse our other how-to videos to ensure you get the most out of your trading experience with GatesFX.